flying to get them in the first place, like David Wicks and everything.
Yeah, they always find out here, mate. Seriously, Cat can smell it from miles away. She can tell by me walking up the stairs.
I think it worked rather, wouldn't it?
What?
We don't want to.
Oh, fuck.
Yes, mate, what can I get you?
Don't swear.
Large.
It's so big, it's hard to get hold of now, this big fat yellow one.
What are you doing in here all by yourself, Tiffany?
Grandma's house. Superhero party.
Are there cakes in it?
Oh, well, who needs cakes when you've got loads of presents?
Now we want to give you
Can't see it.
Don't keep sticking it in your face.
God's sake.
Sam, just hang on. I can't see anything, can you? Hurry up.
No, no.
You sure?
I'm sure.
Excuse me, I'm the person to get some.
Move a lot. No. I'll just stop this.